Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Todd here, and I'm going to go over some of the recent trades that I've got posted out here for you guys. If you're interested in this, just click the link in the description below, join the Discord, come in, ask questions, whatever. So mainly in this channel here, Trader Todd Entries, I'm going to be targeting 4-hour reversion swings or 1-day swings or 1-week swings, whatever it is. Or if there's a golden signal that I'd like, that I can kind of get behind with some technicals, then I'll take two. So, anyways, yeah, feel free to tag along with it. And anyways, let's get into some of the recent trades. So the trade desk, TTD, 4-hour reversion swing, 82.60 entry, grabbing shares. I went shares only on this one. Basically because look at the sell-off, right? Obviously there was some news involved with it. There's some legality, fraud or whatever. So saw that after the fact, unfortunately. I got in at 82.60, roughly DCA'd right around 74. My average right now is 79. If I go to the charts, let's type that in here, TTD. I'm going to be looking to go with a exit right around 88. So strong daily candle today. We're closing above 74. I had yeah, there's some decent support there. Our next leg up is going to be this 77 to 78, 79 run. So once we get above our entry, likely I'll set a stop in profit and just let her go. But like I say, it's shares only. So really, that is pretty much risk averse. In my opinion, you can hold the shares until they come into profit and then sell them later. It's just a matter of time, right? So let's leave that one. I'm leaving that one open for now. Let's come on down. BEP.UNE. This is Brookfield Renewables. I did not take this. However, for your retirement accounts, this is actually a pretty good investment in my opinion. So you could take out a little bit of a blurb here. Enter around $30 seems plausible, so that would be decent to get into. Forward dividend 216, almost 7%. Potential triple bottom or spending his trend line since 2009. Trade target would be 35 plus and more as it's down 50% from all-time high. So flip out to the 1 week here, get back to auto. Yeah, that's basically what you see here. So September 2009, it is really respecting that with the exception of this December, November 2018 date, but it is what it is. If you're buying something like this, you don't necessarily care that there's a little bit of a dip. You can actually buy a bit more dips and then just hold long term. But you really got to get behind it as a long-term investment and not a day trading asset, right? You don't want to be buying and selling in and out of it. So this is roughly where we're at right now. So 27, 28. It's a shame that I didn't see this before. I just got onto this ticker too late, like 31.67. I did not get into it. I would like to see entries right around 30, so I still have this on a watch list, which on that note here, I'm just going to do that right now. Crossing 30, gather that in here, and there you go. So you can do this the same thing as well, too. And then this will let you know anytime an asset gets into your buy zone, right? So I wouldn't hesitate to buy that at 30, especially as it's got a forward dividend and it's respecting that trend line. So that keep on the watch list for now. The big one here, March 31st, 2025, 560 puts on S&P. I'll flip back to the chart here. So I actually entered on Friday, last Friday, and or sorry, it would have been I filled Thursday. I was bidding 550s and I got my fill at 550. Contracts today basically hit a high at 1230, so more than doubled your money. So basically what we're looking at here is if I go to the daily and I turn on the momentum here, you could see we have some negative momentum areas where we lose value, like here, roughly price dumps. I think this is about 6 or 7%. Yeah, 6.5. So I bought into March because I believe we're going to get into negative momentum here. This isn't looking so hot, especially on the daily chart. I will likely cover these around that 569 area. So anyway, stay tuned with that. We'll have to see how we do on that. If you did take these puts right now, you would be up, uh, yeah, 100%. You basically have doubled your money, right? You could have bought in anywhere 550 to 7 range, and if or even 6 range, right? 6 on the Friday when the email went out and all that. And price today high hit 1230. So basically a 2x, so that's nice. Other than you're dealing with a 550 to 600 per contract. So yes, trading the majors is expensive when you're a month out, but it is what it is. You can limit your risk by only trading one or two or whatever, right? Like don't go all in on these. So yeah, that's where we're at with the S&P. So we're going to keep that one likely. Yeah, we'll see how we're doing in first week of March. I'm looking for somewhere around here, this 578, 569 to just let a stop loss and profit, let it ride. I've adjusted my stop loss today to capture 50% of the move. So let's see if we can get further into the green and then go from there. So that is our SPY puts. Now Meta shorts, keeping an eye on this as well. Did not take the setup though, did not take it. So 685 in my channel, current price 668. Everything is just going to tank from here. So if you wanted to, feel free. Meta's basically in the moon. Flip to the weekly. Yeah, that's just insane. Strong divergence on the stochastic, strong divergence. So this is actually still a good trade setup. Short Meta, right? That it's in the moon. Look at that. So that'll be a good entry. We'll see how that does. XYZ, this is a payment processing outfit, I believe, block. So if you do, yeah, I don't even, yeah, sorry, go over to your watch list over here. Strong sales, I'll tell you right here. Creating ecosystems for distinct customer audiences. Square and Cash App. Card payments. Okay. Financial services, something or other. Anyways, yeah, she got wrecked on earnings. I did not take this. Added to watch list for upcoming week. More room to downside. 63 to 60. I think we'll get in on that. 1 week does look good. So come to the 1 week, you do have some divergence on the stochastic on here. I guess we did break down a little bit out of that trend line. We'll see if that holds. Probably not going to do your 63 to 60. I might just forget about this one. I'm not too sure. I'm not entirely sure I want to get it. This doesn't look great, so let's leave that. And then if we just scroll up here, let's see what else we got. So we've got some more S&Ps. Baba, that was a good trade. Ran all the way up first fib target there. I think we ended up hitting that fib target. It was likely 140. So we could check that. Those options are, huge in the money right now. Oh, sorry, we almost hit it right there. Big rejection today, but that's all good. So if you were still in since 88, feel free to book profits if you're still in that Baba trade. This would have been, oh shoot, this is the start of the channel. Yeah, January 22nd. I was just getting back at her. So, and then if I go back here, let's just take a look. I have OCGN open as well. This is a swing. So yeah, based on the 4 hour here, doesn't look too bad. Flip to the daily. Daily candle's not great. So we'll see what we get here. This is earnings on next week, March. So that's going to be next Wednesday. I might just keep this open for now and let's see what we get. Like I say, I'm not much for earnings gambles, but you never know. You might get a surprise and they beat earnings, price comes up. So as it's shares only, it's pretty cheap as well too. So I'm really only in this because of the stochastic and there is some divergence. So going to keep that open as well. So that's the game plan for traditional markets. Like I say, I'm mainly trading high time frame. I'm happy where our low time frame is for the most part. We've got our reversions pretty good. So if you want to come over, get an indicator trial, go ahead and try it out. Try out the DGen alerts indicator. Um, yeah, like I say, pretty much bang on for the most part. You can get some good scalps, you can get some good swings based on the 4 hour as well. So this is just Solana here. So Solana is actually throwing a 4 hour right now as we speak. Um, yeah, other than that, I'll keep everybody updated with any future trade outputs and inputs here. We'll see what we get. Any other tickers come through the golden signals or um, whatnot. We'll see what we can get. I'm going to end the video here and we will catch you guys later. Like and subscribe, and thank you for following along.